Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to fix the following components are required to run this program: Microsoft Visual C++ runtime error on Windows PC. So, to fix this error, click on link in description. Now, download both x86 and x64 versions of Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable latest supported. After download is done, double-click on the downloaded file and proceed with the installation. Note that you need to install both x86 and x64 versions. Once done, restart your computer and see if problem is fixed. If the error still occurs, and it happens on a certain game, then verify integrity of game files. To do that on Steam, open Steam, then navigate to Library. Right-click on the game with error, then select Properties. Select Local Files. Select Verify integrity of game files. On Epic Game Launcher, open Epic Game Launcher, then navigate to Library. Right-click on the game with error, then select Manage. Click on Verify button. On EA App, open EA App. Select the game with error. Click on Manage, then select Repair. On Battle.net, open Battle.net. Select the game with error. Click on the gear icon, Settings, and then tap on the Scan and Repair option. Click Begin. Once done, relaunching the game and see if problem is fixed. Finally, uninstall and reinstall the game if the error is still not fixed. The worst-case scenario is that you need to consider reinstalling your Windows operating system. If there are any more feasible options, please leave a comment below the video. Thanks.